guys, welcome back to another American Farming video episode. I believe we're on episode 3. Today we are going to be selling our first corn harvest that we made with the combine. As you can see, we need a lot of money right now. We are currently stuck at 150 pounds. So hopefully this corn selling will help us make some money. Hopefully I didn't miss any. Hopefully it all went in there. I'm pretty sure it would. So we need to make our way to the co-op with our full grain bin full of harvested corn. So I think we need to take a right. And then let's take a look at the map. Okay, so we just need to keep going straight. And then we're gonna have to take a right up here, and all we have to do is just keep going straight for that inside the cab. So we are on our way to sell some of our first harvest corn. We already replanted both the fields, so next we will be on our second harvest of corn. So stay tuned for that. So far, we're doing pretty good on the farm here. Start to slow down. Complete stop. Look both ways. We're good to go. Take a right here and make our way to the co-op, which is coming up. Oh yeah, we are also running. We have a half a tank of fuel, so soon we might be running low on fuel. Go ahead and turn in here. Let's slow it down a little bit. On fast mode, gotta slow it down a little bit. All right, let's see how much we should make off one grain bin load. All right, almost $1,500, which is actually not bad at all. So yeah, I'll meet you guys when we're filling up our second grain bin. Okay, so currently we have 373 bushels of corn left, which looks to be a full grain cart. So right now each harvest will come to around, let's say $2,600, which isn't bad. Speed. So yeah, we got a whole new cart full of corn to sell here. We are half tank fuel right now, so I don't think we're really gonna need to fill up anytime at the moment. Remember, guys, always look both ways when coming up to a stop sign. We can change gears. We creep in here. Careful not to hit anything. And sell. Sweet. We sold the corn for $1,328.50, bringing us to a total of $2,794.10 in the bank.